All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. The folks over at Encased sent over some nice cases for us to take a look at. So I'll try these on, and I also have a link to these down in the description. So this is the most famous one right here. So we'll start with this one. This is technically a two-piece. Well, it used to be a two-piece, and now it's a single piece. But this is their most rugged, or one of their most rugged style cases that is still form-fitting and very comfortable to use. So on this one here, you've got like this little cover. I can get this off. They've got a little plastic cover covering up, but you can see this button is covered, and this is one of the few cases where I've seen this button covered. But they've got a little indentation there to help get it. And it might be better to have it covered because it's not like it's a Touch ID or anything like that. So you can see here from this side, you can see all the cutouts of the camera. And even though this is a hard, rugged style case, it actually feels really good. And it's a case that you probably could use day to day. So we'll try this on here. Ooh, look at that. Now they also sent over this. I sent this over as well. And they sent me one of these before. If you're that person and you have to have it, they've got you covered. So if you're that person that you need to have this pop socket, basically, they've got you covered. Now you can see the volume rocker. And again, this case isn't it's a rugged style case, but it's definitely not a heavy duty case. Oh, that's so strong. Like one would think. A person could, because this phone is so thin, you could put any case on this phone and win bars. So you got tons of lip protection. Everything is just right on with this. So this button right here is easily accessible. And the fact that they have the little indentation there, it actually makes it better to use than all the cases that don't have it, more than likely, because you get this flimsy area here. And not just this company, like all the cases like this are open. This one's pretty strong, actually. But this case with the button, it actually works very well. And I never really used that button, but this is a very nice case if you want some texture to your phone, or you just want to make sure that you're, getting a grip that you might possibly want to use if you use a case. So let's try the next one on here. To take it off, I just push on both corners as you see me do right there. And this case right here is one of their newer cases. It's one of their newer cases, the thin armor. But it is, in fact, a kind of a rugged style case as well. But it definitely feels, it's not called the thin armor for no reason. It has less feeling than the Rebel there. But it is still, phone is still thin. And you can see you have access to the button. It's just open on this case right here. But the only way you see the color of your phone with these cases is to look at the camera module, because it completely blacks it out. Again, nice front lip on there, volume rocker, everything works good. All the buttons work fine, no problem. Really nice, really nice. And again, if you're that person and you have to have it, it is there. Shout out to JoJo. She's that person. She has to have these. So let's go ahead and pop this last case on here, and then you can hit the link in the description and you can get yours ASAP. So if you're a person that wants to show off your phone, then this is the case for you. If you're that person who wants to show the color of your phone. But what this does for the lighter color phones, and this is a really good looking case too. What this does for the lighter color phones, it kind of makes them really look all the same. Yeah, if you really wanted to flex with the Air, you get the black one, just so people would know it's not the same as the others. But all the Airs look exactly alike as far as the color goes. They're a little shade different. In the right lighting, if you put them all next to each other, you'll be able to tell that they're different colors. But separately, they all look the same. They pretty much all look white, depending on how your camera picks them up. But this case right here is definitely one that I think a lot of people will enjoy, because you can get to see the color of your device. And these all MagSafe compatible cases. Most of their cases are anyway. But I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab yours. And I've got one more thing to show you. I've got one more thing. if you're that person that you just like to carry your phone, they've got you covered on that too. This is a kickstand wallet, as you can see here. It's got a nice metal hinge on there, and it is definitely texture out the yin yang on this thing, man. This thing has texture. You slide up on the cards right there. That's how you get it off. And if you're a person that needs a kickstand or wants to prop their phone up, this might be for you. Now, this magnet, there we go. I was about to say this magnet isn't that strong, but it is strong. It wasn't locking on. Wow, yeah, this is strong. This is a strong magnet. And now you have an official kickstand. You have a kickstand for your device. So it's just going to come down to, whether you want to use something like this or not. I actually like this because this magnet on this is super strong. I always test out these wallet cases like this, and a lot of them aren't that strong, but this one is very, very strong. And so I wanted to go ahead and show that to you. So it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, here they are, man. The lineup from Encased for the Air. It's looking pretty good. I like this. This is very strong, by the way. And you add on a pop socket, and I think you might be good to go. You might have everything you possibly need for a case like this. And they also sell chargers. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.